guys, so on, I think it was Thursday or Wednesday, we came up and put sticky notes up on the board for your favorite weekend activity, okay? And today we're going to look at them and we're going to put them into categories and chart our data, because I told you that we were taking that data and we're going to make categories and put them into a bar graph like we've been learning. So we're going to watch this video on how to make categories first to see just how good mathematicians make categories. So pay close attention because we're about to do this with our data we had for our class.
Making categories. The information you collect is called data. One way to collect data is by asking a group of people the same question. I wondered what my classmates like to do after school. I decided to collect data to find out what my classmates' favorite after-school activities are. I did a survey to collect data. I asked all of my classmates the same question. What is your favorite activity to do after school? I recorded their answers. Then I looked at the data and thought about how I could put it into categories. I looked at my classmates' answers and started putting similar answers together. I noticed that many of my classmates like to do art activities. Look at the data. What other categories could I make?
Okay, the ones that are highlighted, what could that be? Art, or like the crafting. Okay, what other category could we come up with? What about like playing tag, playground, soccer, t-ball, play sports? What could that be, Willow? Sports or outdoor activities.
I noticed that many students like to do sports or outdoor play. Other students liked to do pretend play. Some students liked to play or listen to music, and some liked to read. After I put the data into categories, I thought about after-school classes we could have at my school. I shared the data with my class and asked my teacher about starting some after-school classes that I knew my classmates would enjoy. We made a graph to show the students that would be in each class. What class will need the largest room?
The sports classroom, what would need the largest room?
I can see that the class with the most students is sports and outdoor play. Outdoor play has 3 more students than drama and 3 more students than music. There would be 18 students in the classes in all.
Okay, so they grouped their information into categories. So now I'm going to put our sticky notes up here. I don't know if we can see all of them. Okay, so I had going shopping. Blaine likes to play Roblox. Maddie likes to go shopping, so I already can put those kind of by each other. Abby likes to ride her scooter. Willow likes to play on her iPad. Skylar likes to play with his PS4. Connor likes to play Halo. Olivia likes to watch TV. Ryder likes making books. Kylie likes playing video games. Jackson likes video games. Alex likes to do science. Ainsley likes video games / board games. And Kennedy likes playing with her brother. Okay, we have a lot that are the same. So we could make a category of what? What were a lot of the same ones? Video games. Okay, so we can think, okay, I'm going to have to rewrite these, I think. Because this is really hard to see. Okay, so we have going shopping. And then Maddie uses going shopping. What What could a category be that includes shopping and something else? Riders play Roblox. There's these three. Playing on my iPad. Riding scooter. Skylar likes to play with PS4. Do you see a category that we can make? Any ideas? Connor? Okay, electronics. Okay, that could be, but could you group another one into something else? What? Okay, but are all the other ones other than electronic shopping? They're not. Like, Ryder likes making books. So we're going to try to do this in 2 categories. Okay, where do you play all your video games at normally? At your house, right? Okay. Where do you have to go shopping? You have to go somewhere, right? Could we do like, maybe one category is activities at home? Can we do that? Okay, because we have a lot of activities at home, right? Alex, where do you do science? What? Okay, so at home, that would fit something.
All of those things are not emergencies because then you're interrupting somebody else's time.
Okay.
Remember, when you come back and you speak,
My goodness, you guys in video games. It wasn't that hard to categorize these.
if you can do your best and then circle it, and then we can.
Okay, last one. Video / board games for easy. Okay. Sorry guys, I should have had that wrote up, but I thought we would be able to see them. Okay.
We're doing math and then after.
So I'm gonna turn on the lights since we don't need the Elmo anymore.
Alright.
Alright, so we have playing with brother. Do you do that at your house, Kennedy? Yeah? Okay, Alex does his at the house. Video games is at the house, right? Okay, iPad at the house. That was Willow at the house. Yeah? Playing PS4, Skylar at the house. Playing Halo at the house. Ainsley at the house. Playing Roblox at the house.
That was lame.
Lane? Yes? Riding scooter at the house. Watching TV at the house. Going shopping has to go somewhere. And then making books. House. So we could do that. Now we would have one really big category. Which category would that be?
At the house.
Okay, so we could do activities at home. At home. And we could, what would our other category have to be?
Going somewhere.
Activities, we could put going places. Well, activities at home or activities at other places.
And then something happens, either we're adding some or we're taking some away, and then we know how much we end with. That means we
Okay, is there another way, another couple categories that we can do it? You said technology, we could, technology
and then have to figure out what it equals.
would be a category, so that wouldn't fit it. So this one wouldn't fit it. That one, so there's two, that, this one wouldn't fit it, that would fit it. These wouldn't fit it. Okay, so you see the ones that we don't have a category for technology? What could they fit in a category?
You don't know how many she started with, right? That would be an unknown start.
Well, shopping's not at home though.
These problems.
We already did a set of categories, so we're trying to do is change them up and see if there's other categories we can put those in. So we did activities at home and video games and science and brother, all was included in that category. And the only things we had for activities at other places was shopping. Now we changed it up and we have all of these are technology category, but we gotta have to put these in another category. What can we categorize them as? Technology, well, we have technology, now we need another category. Or could we do, because when you play video games, it's usually just you doing it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we could do activity one person, because those could be in a category with one person. Shopping, you normally go with more people, right? Making books would be one person, right? We could do that as a category. That would be one person. Riding a scooter, one person, right? Okay, that would be a category. Playing with brother, that's two people. Doing science, you do science with one person or two people or more? Alex? Most of the time, how many people? You and your dad? Okay, so that's going to be under two people. And I always go shopping with one other person. Who was it? Kenny? You said go shopping?
No, Maddie. Maddie.
You moved on me, sorry. Do you like to go shopping with one person? Do you go shopping with your mom? So three. So how many people is including you? We could do one person or more than one people, or more than one person. Activities, right? Because we can include. So this is one person, one person, one person, one, and then that one's more than one person, that one's more than one person, more. So that would even it out a little bit more. More than one person. Is there any other categories that you think we could use? Okay, now let's decide which categories do we like, because we couldn't finish that one out because the other ones didn't really go together. We couldn't do one technology. Okay, so do we want to use the activities at home and activities at other places for our categories? Or do we want to use one person or more than one person for our activities at home and activities at other places? Okay, so we had how many activities at other places? We had 2. Now let's count how many we have at home. Okay, 1, 2, 3. No wait. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 12. Okay, that's gonna be a big old difference, isn't it? So how many more people like to do activities at home than activities at other places? How many more people? No? 10. Why is it 10 people, Ainsley and Jackson? Yeah, 10 plus 2 is 12, which we know 2. We have 2 people that like to do at home. 10 more like to do, or 10 more people like to do activities at home than activities at other places. Okay. Now we're gonna chart our data. We're gonna put it in a bar graph. Okay. Someone pass out a bar graph. You need a pencil and 2 crowns. Doesn't matter the colors. Just make sure they're different colors. Hey, what could the title of this data be? Remember, this was favorite weekend activities. What could our title be?
Activities and
unknown start with.
What is this gonna be on this side?
So, if I have,
You remember from the other day we made? Oh, y'all are still writing.
so if I
Ryder,
have unknown.
why are you not writing what we're writing on the board?
I would
We're
have
doing this one together. Please pay attention.
And then I would add some more.
Do you remember from the other day when we did charted the data from the genes and no genes? What do we label this side?
I don't know how many I started.
No.
I'm gonna add,
Remember it's on the side that has the numbers.
and then I'm gonna end up with
Ryder?
a lot more, right?
Number of people.
Correct. I would have to change that into a.
Because that tells us how many people are going to be under each category. Okay, and then this is going to be your category. So activities at home, activities at
Now, I'm gonna put this
Or
right up here because we'll
other
do it
places.
with you today on your assessment. So I want you to use that chart today when you do your assessment, okay? So before we do our assessment though. Before you do your assessment, we're gonna do some examples together. That way if you have a question, I want you to ask me while
All right.
okay?
Get that filled out, and then we're going to draw our bars.
We're gonna skip around, and I'm gonna do some with you, and then some you're gonna do by yourself. I'm not gonna give you a whole bunch of time to do these, okay? Because we do have to do our assessment, and we still wanna have enough time to do our, fluency as well, yes, sir. So, yeah, so when you do your paper, we're gonna go through our
Okay.
quick, but please ask
How many
me if
people
you
like
have a
activities at
question,
home?
okay? Alright.
12. So how am I going to show this? Am I going to draw up this way or over this way? Up and down because the numbers go up. So I need to, it doesn't matter which line. And I'm going to go all the way up to 12. And here's my bar. And I'm going to color all in. How many people like to do activities at home? 2 people. So I'm going to find over here. I'm going to go up 2 boxes. And that's what I'm going to color in.
Go to number 2. Please work with me.
And now we can easily see that these right here, they're the same. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more people that like to do activities at home than activities at other places on the weekend.